Hi folks, I'm Doug Hensley, President of Hertz Real Estate Services, and I'm coming to you today with our March 2025 Farmland Market update. Through much of the past month, I've been out on the road talking with farmland owners across the country at our landowner education seminars. And for those of you who saw me speak, you know that I talked about 2024 being a difficult year for commodity prices and farm profits. This difficult commodity price environment led to a weaker farmland market last fall, and we have seen that weakness show up in land value surveys that have been released here in late 2024 and early 2025. However, since the beginning of January, we've enjoyed a general turn higher in the commodity markets, which has now supported what I'm calling a firming in the land market. Specifically, commodity markets have been supported by export and biofuel demand and a cut in total 2024 crop production. That was a report that came out from USDA in mid-January and has supported commodity prices since that time. In addition to higher corn and soybean prices, the marketplace has also received a little pep in its step from an expected direct government payment on both corn and soybean acres from 2024 production, and those direct payments are actually expected to hit bank accounts here before spring planting and potentially here in the month of March. This injection of liquidity will be meaningful to support working capital levels across the Midwest, and it's also served as a bit of a confidence buoy for the land market as well. Beyond these factors, we've also seen the early 25 farmland market find support due to the fact that sales volume market-wide has been down. This is a simple supply and demand concept whereby when any product or asset is in scarce supply, there's a tendency to see the price for that product or asset often firm up or even float higher in some cases. I define what we've seen in the past 60 days as a firming up. And so I want to be clear here. We do not see land prices moving higher right now, but relative to last fall with a stronger early 2025 commodity price environment and fewer overall sales that have occurred since the 1st of January, we have seen the land market weakness from last fall diminish on the sales that have occurred over the past 60 days. So that's something to keep in mind. There are still a lot of factors in play in this marketplace. There's a lot of kind of pulling in different directions, not the least of which includes the impact of the application of tariffs in early March here on some of our largest agricultural trading partners, whether we're talking about China or Mexico or Canada, as well as movement that we're seeing in the interest rate market. So there's still some things up in the air. We're continuing to track all these topics, and as always, we'll continue to keep you informed on what we see happening across the land market. When you have questions, we'd love to have a chance to talk with you through your situation, so reach out to us anytime through the website, a phone call, or connect with us on any of the social media channels. Enjoy the last month of winter, folks, and I'll see you again in early April.